Your Gather statement is going to be the backbone of your financials in Gather. Each statement will flow into payments and revenue reports for your funeral home, so consistent usage and accuracy are key. As we discussed in another video, you can navigate directly to your Gather statement by clicking on the $ in the top right corner of the decedent's Organize page, then clicking on Begin Statement for a brand new case. Or to dive back into an existing statement like this example, you'll click on the View Statement button here instead to pick up where you left off. When diving back into an in-progress statement, notice that this window will give you a quick overview and breakdown of your statement so far. Let's go through the Gather statement page together. As we covered in a previous video, you can use the pencil icon in the top left corner to customize what will be visible on your statement. We will cover statement revisions and payments more in another lesson. In this window, you also have options to freeze, print, or prepare the statement for signature. Next to the pencil, you again have your arrow to take you back to the Organize page, as well as the paper icon to manage your signature packets. In the top center, there are icons to navigate to your Gather showroom, your current location on the Gather statement, and your payments page for that specific case. Below your icons, you again have the Who Can View statement, where you can give your family helpers assigned to this task access to view their loved one's statement in the Gather showroom. For example, Diego has been assigned to view this statement. Just above the top left of your statement, you can see whether your statement has been frozen, as well as freeze or unfreeze it. To the right, you can change the view of your statement. You will always be defaulted to Compact's layout, but can click on Visual Layout to see an expanded view with images if they have been added. The three-dot menu will give you the option for a number of actions, several of which include, again, freezing, signing, and printing, but also viewing your tax settings, adjusting the statement total, entering a payment, viewing receipts from this case, and configuring your statement, the last of which will navigate you to the back end of Gather. On the statement itself, the top right corner will contain all the information about this decedent: case number, date of death, address of the funeral home, and the funeral director assigned to this case. For example, your funeral home's logo will always be in the top left. The first grouping of text on your statement will be a portion of the legal disclaimers and disclosures that were copied over from your original funeral home statement during the onboarding process. Please contact your account manager if this needs to be updated. Below your legal language, you'll see a green button inviting you to add products to statement. This button will allow you to type, search, and add products to your statement without having to leave this page and go back to the showroom. Packages are the only services not available to be added from here. You would also use this green button to select the option to add a one-time product. Again, this will ask you for a description of the item, and then it will be added to the statement only. Clicking on the plus sign in any of the categories on the statement will allow you to add directly from that category. The layout of your statement might vary depending on the state you live in, but we will help set that up for you during the onboarding process. The three general categories shown on the statement, however, will be professional services, merchandise, and cash advances. Warranties or disclaimers can be added as subtext under each of these categories if necessary. Using the three-dot menu to the right of any items on your statement will allow you to view options for this product or service. View more details, leave a visible note below the item, change the price, add a discount or premium to this item, rename, or delete the item. The small building icon next to some items will indicate if this item is taxable. For this example, we don't have any. Click on the icon to see a breakdown of the tax information that is being applied to this item. To edit tax information, click on the pencil icon to the right of your tax total or the tax tab at the very bottom of your statement. On the right side of your statement and below your subtotals, you have the option to, again, adjust statement total. Clicking here or from the three-dot menu in the top right will give you the option to apply a discount or premium to the entire statement. Name or rename this adjustment to make the purpose clear to your family for this case. If you're looking to apply a percentage, Gather will calculate the amount for you, or you can apply a whole custom amount. This adjustment will show just above your tax total. Below your total, you'll see a list of disclaimers that were taken from legal language on your funeral home's previous statement. To add your reason, terms of payment, or any details regarding any disclaimers, simply click where it says Add Disclaimer Reason to begin typing. Any other legal language that was taken from your previous statement will also be included on the bottom of your new Gather statement. The bottom of your Gather statement page will show whether the statement has been frozen, yet and again, gives you the option to print or sign this statement. This is just an overview of your Gather statement, and we'll dive more into how it all works in another video. but please reach out to Gather Support if you have any other questions in the meantime. Still have support-related questions? You can call our support team directly at 208-908-0488, or you can chat in with our support team directly in the Gather platform.